Alright, in this video we're going to talk about how to find the vertex of a quadratic function. This would be the first step in hand graphing a quadratic function. You locate the vertex, and then from there you would pick other points for x and the corresponding points for y. So to find the vertex, the x-coordinate of the vertex you have to find first. The x-coordinate is equal to this expression right here, opposite of b over 2a. So in this equation, where we have y equals negative x squared plus 3x minus 2, a is the coefficient of x squared, that's negative 1. b is the coefficient of x, which is 3. And c is that constant, which is negative 2. And we only need to know a and b, obviously, to do this. So my x-coordinate is equal to the opposite of b over 2a. Opposite of b is negative 3. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So that's 3 halves or 1 half. Okay, that's my x-coordinate. And then from here, that x-coordinate, whether you use 3 halves or 1 half, you're going to put it in right there for x and right there for x. And that's the second step. And once we have the y-coordinate, we can just write our ordered pair. So here's my equation, negative x squared plus 3x minus 2. I have my negative. X we found to be 3 halves squared plus 3 times 3 halves minus 2. 3 halves squared is 9/4. The negative sign makes it negative 9/4. 3 times 3 halves is 9 halves, and then minus 2. So I just need to simplify. Negative 9/4 is negative 2 1/4. 9 halves is 4 1/2. And then minus 2. And so if we add all that up, you get negative 4 1/4 plus 4 1/2. And we find out that fourth plus 4 1/2. Find out that y is equal to 1/4. And now you're ready to write your vertex. Okay, we just found y, we found x up there. So it's 1 1/2, 1/4. And that's where the vertex would be. And from there you would find other points you'd be able to graph it. Hey, if I want to find the vertex of this, first thing I want to do is identify a, b, and c. A is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 8, c is equal to 11. And again, the x-coordinate is the opposite of b over 2a. And so that would be the opposite of negative 8 over 2 times 2. So that would be positive 8 over 4, and that equals 2. Okay, that's the x-coordinate. Okay, that's my x-coordinate. Okay. We'll put 2 in for x and solve for y. Okay, and when we do that, 2 times 2 squared minus 8 times 2 plus 11. 2 times 4 minus 16. 8 minus 16 plus 11. That's 3. And so my vertex is 2, 3. And again, we just found the x-coordinate first, use that x-coordinate to find the y-coordinate, and then once you've found that, you know what the vertex is. So that would be either the highest point or the lowest point of your parabola, depending on if it opens up or opens down. And then you could go and start making a table, put in values for x and find the corresponding y's, and you could hand graph the parabola.